This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Need new tools or upgrade? Think Value Testers. Link in description below. Morning guys, it is March 17th, 2020. So I read a call from a guy. He had one zone of radiant heat that was running like crazy, 110, 120 degrees in a room or something he was saying. So he's not around here, he's in California. He had his guy that watches the house. I told him to go shut off the circulator that runs that zone. He's calling me back today that there's no heat in the whole house, so the guy probably shut the whole boiler off. So he wants me to go over there, and I told him I'd go over there as long as the guy's not in the house. I mean, you want to unlock the door, I'll go in there and see what's going on. If the guy's around, I'm leaving. So I told him on the phone, so we'll see what the story is. I want the guy over there breathing on me and shit. Stay outside, unlock the door, let me go in there. I'll take a dive in there and see what's going on. He's not even around, he's in California. Calling me, asking me all kinds of free advice over the phone, panicking. Thought I gave you some shots. Not a problem with the radiant heat, so we'll just shut that one zone off and turn the boiler back on. Yeah, he's got the boiler off. Real smart. This is the one we want to shut off right here for the radiant. Looking son of a bitch. That's cooling. So this is service. It says radiant, and I did follow this back. It goes to the circulator, and it is calling. I'm just going to disconnect that. There's the TT right here for the radiant, right? There's the TT right there for the radiant. Shut it off. Now. Oh, the flipping wires for this thing. That's a real shit show. I don't know what all that shit does. There was a pool up there. So, we got it disconnected. It's not going to run now. This wire ran over to that control till he gets back from once he gets back and Yeah, see, so that ran right there. So we just disconnected the radiant, and we'll turn the rest of the house back on for now. Good enough for this. He's gonna have to get someone over here that's familiar with that control, because I'm not. Alright guys, just left that job. The homeowner is in California. He knows how to reprogram that thermostat, supposedly, so I just disconnected. He says it was like 110 degrees in that. There used to be a pool over there, and he took it all out and he filled it in. He put all, you know, so it's radiant heat that was around the pool that's been running wild, so I just disconnected it for now. When he gets back, he could try to reprogram that thermostat, or we can get into it deeper. But he's not around, so I just had the maintenance guy meet me there so I could turn his boiler back on and disconnect that zone. Once he gets back, he can play around with it. If he can't get it figured out, I can go back there and start playing around with it some more, but I don't want to get into it too deeply. It might just need to be reprogrammed. And I'm not too familiar with that thermostat setup he's got there. It's got cooling on it. It's got cooling and heating and all kinds of different shit on it. Probably dehumidification. So it seems pretty complicated. Wait for him to get back on that one. Can't know it all. Nobody's a know-it-all. Some of you guys think you are.